Once upon a time, I was all alone. How you like me now? Do I turn you on?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video for you guys, and this video is brought to you by FabFitFun, which looks like this. I'm so excited. They sent me their summer box for 2019. They just released it and I was like, you know, one of the first ones to receive it. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what's inside because there's a bunch of goodies, and yeah, I want to see what they sent me. So excited. I don't know why, but I've never really done a video like this before, so it's kind of exciting because I'm like unboxing a package pretty much. Yeah, I'm pretty much doing that. But anyways, if you guys don't know what FabFitFun is, it's a seasonal subscription. I feel like I'm so hyper right now because I drank a Red Bull, and yeah, I just have a lot of energy. But if you guys don't know what FabFitFun is, it's a seasonal subscription box that comes with full-size beauty and lifestyle products. That's awesome. And it's also available in the UK, so make sure you guys check it out. This box is $49.99 but has a value of $200. That's crazy. You're saving a lot of money, and you could also save more money using my code Jocy, which will be on the screen or in the description box down below. You guys know where to find everything. But yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what's inside. So ooh, we should just go ahead and get started. There's so much things in here. Let me show you guys. Oh my gosh. The first thing I have here is this FabFitFun magazine that has all the products you'll be receiving, and it also has a lot of other stuff in here that you could read about, which is pretty cool. You guys, I'm so excited because I got this Brazilian Bum Bum cream, and I actually already owned one of these, but the smaller version, and I was so in love with it, but I already finished it, so I was pretty bummed out. And I'm so happy now because I got another one, and I actually got a bigger size this time, so it's gonna definitely last me a little longer. I wish I could open it, but I can't open it because my nails are really long, and of course we can't open anything with nails. Yep, I'm not gonna be able to open it, so I can't wait to use this again because I actually really love it. From the same brand, I got this moisturizing shower cream gel, and I actually really needed a shower gel, so this is amazing. I'm so excited to try this, and I can't wait to use it. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking extra smooth with this and this. So I also got this exfoliating foot mask, which looks like this, and it says it smoothes and softens your feet, and it also hydrates your feet. Okay, wow, I'm gonna have to try that. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, I like the packaging. It looks really simple. Ooh, it smells really good. I could literally smell it through the bottle. Oh, it smells really good. I can't wait to try this. So next I have this traceless herring, which are like hair ties, I believe, and they're crystal clear and nude to be, which I love that because I love clear things, and I also really love nude. So this is how they look like. They stretch a lot, which is cool because I have a lot of hair, and also they're different, so I'm gonna be trying out something different and not just the regular hair ties. All right, so next I have this Ico London I Do Liquid eyeliner, and I actually already have this, so I'm gonna give this away in a giveaway I'm going to be doing very soon. So make sure you go follow me on Instagram because that's where I'm going to be doing it. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because that's where I'll be doing a huge giveaway, so you don't want to miss that. Oh, I also got skincare. I have this brightening purple clay mask, which looks like this, and it feels really nice and looks really nice. I can't wait to try it because it's purple, and I love skincare. So I'm gonna see how this looks. I want to see if it's really purple. You know, so ooh, I'm gonna try it out. I'm just gonna put it right there for now. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. Ooh, it's actually purple. Oh my god, you guys, see that? It feels really nice and soft. I also got this Spray All Day Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. And you guys know I love using the MAC Rose Setting Spray. You guys know I always use it in my tutorials. So this is perfect because this is something I'm definitely going to be using as well. And I really want to try it, you know, give myself a little spray. I'm gonna open this up. Now this is something I could actually open up. Kinda. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I can't wait to try it. Oh, I can't open it though. So next I have this little cute pink bag, and inside here there's silicone wine glasses. How cool. I'm getting a little bit of everything, which is awesome because I get to try more stuff, you know. So this is how it looks like, and I'm gonna open her up so we can see what's inside. Well, we obviously know that it's wine glasses, but we could see how they look like. Oh my god, they're pink. I'm so happy. Oh my god, this feels so cool. I've never had anything like this before. Just look at it. It's literally a cup made out of silicone. It's pretty cool. I like it. I have one more item to show you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and see what it is. It's a refining micro polish. I don't know what this is. I've never heard of micro polish before, so I don't know. It kind of reminds me of a face wash in a way, but I don't really know, so I'm gonna have to try this out. It says apply to damp face and neck, massage gently, yeah, rinse product off and pat dry. So it's pretty much a face wash. I don't know, but I'm definitely gonna try this out. But yeah, that was pretty much it for my summer box. Let me know if you guys want me to continue doing videos like this because I actually really like it. I feel so comfortable, and I also get to talk to you guys, and I really love that. So let me know in the comment section. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and also make sure you check out FabFitFun. Everything will be listed down below. But that was pretty much it for today's video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because, like I said, I will be doing a giveaway and you don't want to miss that. So yeah, make sure you do that, and I'll see you guys on my next video.